Good morning, children. Today we shall learn a lesson, Hiawatha. Now, this is a poem. Hiawatha was a young Red Indian boy. He lived with his old grandmother, Nokomis. बच्चों, हियावाथा एक लड़का था, रेड इंडियन लड़का था, जो कि अपनी दादी के साथ रहता था. His old grandmother, Nokomis. उसकी दादी का नाम नोकोमिस था. In a wagwan, Nokomis taught Hiawatha about the wonders around them. नोकोमिस जो उसकी दादी थी, उन्होंने हियावाथा को जो उनके चारों तरफ का वातावरण था और उसमें क्या क्या आश्चर्यजनक चीज़ें हैं उसके बारे में बताती थी. शी टोल्ड हिम अबाउट द स्टार्स. वो उसको तारों के बारे में बताती थी. द ट्रीज पेड़ों के बारे में बताती थी. द इंसेक्ट्स और कीड़े मकोड़ों के बारे में बताती थी. द बर्ड्स चिड़ियों के बारे में, पक्षियों के बारे में बताती थी. द एनिमल्स एंड मैनी अदर थिंग्स, जानवरों के बारे में और बहुत सी चीज़ों के बारे में वो हियावाथा को बताती थी. हियावाथा ग्रू अप टू लव देम ऑल. और धीरे धीरे बच्चों हियावाथा बड़ा होने लगा, वो सभी को प्यार करता था. ही कुड टॉक टू द बर्ड्स एंड एनिमल्स. वो जानवरों से और पक्षियों से बात कर सकता था. एंड देम टू हिम, और एंड दे टू हिम, और वो पशु पक्षी भी उससे बात करते थे. देन द लिटिल, नाउ द पोएम स्टार्ट्स. Then the little Hiawatha learned of every bird's its language, learned their names and all their secrets, how they build their nest in summer, and where they hid themselves in winter, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's chicken. बच्चों, then the little Hiawatha, बच्चों तब वो छोटा हियावाथा जो था, learned all of every bird's its language, वो सभी पक्षियों की भाषा सीख गया. लर्न देयर नेम्स, सभी के नाम जान गया. एंड ऑल देयर सीक्रेट्स, और उनके रहस्यों के बारे में वो सारी चीज़ों को जान गया. हाउ दे बिल्ड देयर नेस्ट्स इन समर, पक्षी गर्मी में अपना घोंसला कैसे बनाते हैं. और वेयर दे हिड देमसेल्व्स इन विंटर, और वो जाड़े में अपने को कहाँ छिपाते हैं. टॉक्ड विद देम व्हेनेवर ही मेट देम, वो जब भी चिड़ियों से मिलता था वो उनसे बात करता था. कॉल्ड देम हियावाथास चिकन, और वो उनको अपने बच्चों की तरह मानता था, वो उनको बच्चे कहता था. देन ऑफ ऑल बीस्ट ही लर्नड द लैंग्वेजेस, लर्नड देयर नेम्स एंड ऑल देयर सीक्रेट्स, हाउ द बीवर्स बिल्ड देयर लॉजेस, where the squirrels hid their acorns, how the reindeers ran so swiftly, why the rabbit was so timid, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's brother. और इसी तरह बच्चों, of all the beasts he learned the languages, इसी तरह वो सभी जानवरों की भाषा भी सीख गया. learned their names and all their secrets, उनके नाम जान गया और उनके सारे रहस्यों को जान गया. how the beavers build their lodges, बच्चों बीवर्स जो है, बीवर्स को हम हिंदी में ऊद बिलाव बोलते हैं. तो ऊद बिलाव कहाँ रहता है और वो कैसे अपने घर को बनाता है. where the squirrels hid their acorn, और गिलहरियाँ अपना acorn कहाँ छिपा के रखती हैं. how the reindeer ran so swiftly, और बच्चों जो reindeers होते हैं वो इतनी तेज़ी से क्यों दौड़ते हैं. और why the rabbits was so timid, और खरगोश इतने डरपोक क्यों होते हैं. talked with them whenever he met them, बच्चों जो वो इन सब पशुओं से जब मिलता था तो उनसे खूब बातें करता था. called them Hiawatha's brothers, और वो उसको अपना भाई मानता था, अपने भाइयों की तरह वो उनको मानता था. This poem is written by H.W. Longfellow. Now children, I will tell you something about H.W. Longfellow. Now, Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, February 27 to 1807, March 24 to 1882, was an American poet and educator whose works include Paul Revere's Ride and the Song of the Hiawathas and Evangeline. He was also the first American to translate Dante's allegories, Divine Comedy, and was one of the fireside poets from New England. Now children, there are some difficult words in this lesson like wigwam, beavers, acorns, reindeers and timid. I will tell you the meaning of those words. First of all, beavers. Beaver is a large, primarily nocturnal, semi-aquatic rodent. The rodent Castor includes two extant species, the North American beaver and Eurasian beaver. Beavers are known for buildings, dams, and canals and lodges. They are the second largest rodent in the world. Now children, like this acorn, the word acorn, the meaning of this, the acorn को हम हिंदी में बच्चों बलूत का फल कहते हैं. Acorn, the acorn or oak nut is the nut of the oaks and their close relatives. It usually contains a single seed enclosed in a tough leathery shell and bored in a cup-shaped capsules. Now children, one more word is there, wigwam. Wigwam, a wigwam, yeah, or a wiki up, wetty or wigwam, semi-permanent doomed dwelling formerly used by certain Native Americans and First Nations tribes and still used for ceremonial purpose. Now children, yes, some reading is fun. The corner for question and answer. Who was Hiawatha? Hiawatha was a young red Indian boy. Now who was Nokomis? Nokomis, she was Hiawatha's grandmother. Then what did he learned about the birds? उसने पक्षियों से क्या सीखा? Then little Hiawatha learned of every bird its languages, learned their names and all their secrets, how they built their nest in summer, where they hid themselves in winter, talked with them whenever he met. He called them Hiawatha's chicken. Yes. Now children, what secrets did he learn about beasts? Now, yes, of all beasts he learned the language, learned their names and all their secrets, how the beavers build their lodges, where the squirrels hid their acorns, how the reindeers ran so swiftly, and why the rabbit was so timid, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's brother. Now children, let's listen. Whisper a secret in your partner's ear. The partner will in turn whisper his secrets in your ear. Like one partner will say, I have seen a whale with the polka dot tail. Another will say, I have seen a bee with a fractured knees. Now children, you can talk about the secrets aloud. Now another game is Chinese whisper. Form a circle and whisper a secret into the ears of the person on your right. He in turn whispers into the ear of the person on the right. Pass the secrets on till it goes around the circle. The last person will tell the secrets aloud. Is the secret the same as what the first child had whispered? No children, it changes. By children it changes. The statement changes. You can try by yourself. Now let's talk. Do you think that Hiawatha liked learning new languages? Yes. Hiawatha called the birds chickens and the beasts brothers. What do you think this shows? This shows he loved birds and animals very much. Now, do birds have secrets? Yes, they have secrets. Do you know the secret language of any animal? Tell the class about it. Yes, children, you can share your experience with your partners. Now say aloud. Here are some few sounding words like squirrel, quarrel, queen, quick, quilt, white, quality. Now children, use words beginning with H sound like hat, house, hen, hide, horse, heart, hand, etc. Now I will tell you some more words like hut, heat, hound, hill, hit. You can write some more words now. Make a pair of words, one a describing word and one a naming words. Children, like happy Hiawatha, hungry hippopotamus, high horse, heavy hand. Children, I have written here some more words like this: little lotus, black bumblebee, white wall, silly seagulls, high heels. Now, have you seen a hippopotamus in a hat, a hen in a beehive, a helicopter with hair, a horse drink honey? No, you haven't seen these things. Let's share. Make a story of the poem and share it with your friends. You can change Hiawatha's name. You can write your name and give the name of your classmates. Start the story with other children can continue. You could begin like this. Once upon a time, there was a boy called. You can write your name like your Shashank and any other name. Okay, now let's write. This is a park. Children, let's see this picture. Yes. Huh. This is a park where children can talk to different animals and birds. Write 4 sentences about the picture. Use capital letters where required. Complete sentences and punctuations. I am reading some sentences for like this. When you will talk to birds and animals, what will you ask them? I have written 5 sentences. Where do birds make their nest? How does rabbit make his burrows? How does a duck swims in the water? How does parrot talks? How does a reindeer runs? Now children, yes, where do the following live? Birds live in the nest. Rabbits live in burrows. And beavers live in their lodges. Now children, another question is, describe Hiawatha's, his home and friends in 10 lines. You have this is given in the introduction part of your book. I am reading again. Hiawatha was a little red Indian boy. He lived with his grandmother Nokomis in a wigwam. Nokomis taught Hiawatha about the wonders around him. She told him about the stars, the trees, the insects, the birds, the animals, and many others things. Hiawatha grew up to love them all. He could talk to the birds and the animals. They could talk to him as well. Now, question number 4 is, what did Hiawatha love? Hiawatha loved to talk with birds and animals. Now, children, there are match A with B and write the complete sentences below. Children, there are 2 columns A and B. Some words are written both the columns. You have to match the column and write the sentences. This side, whenever, in the column A, whenever, whoever, wherever. And column B, I go, I have friends, I am hungry, I eat. Comes first wins. Now I am joining these sentences. Listen to me. Whenever I am hungry, I eat. Whoever comes first wins. Wherever I go, I have friends. Now complete the following stories by using an appropriate words from the box given below. My, his, he, yours. Now I am filling up the blanks, children. You have to listen to me. Ram was a farmer. He wanted to sell his goats and sheep, so he went to the market. There he sold all his animals to a rich man and got a lot of money. When he was going back to his village, 3 thieves stopped him. Stop, give us all your money. Ram was very clever. He said, I will give my money to the strongest of you. On hearing this, the thieves started fighting amongst themselves. Ram slipped away quietly. Now, under B section, sitting on a tree, a crow was enjoying a piece of bread. A hungry fox wanted to have that bread. He said very sweetly, Dear brother, I have heard that your voice is very sweet. Please sing a song for me. The foolish crow opened his beak and the piece of bread fell down. The fox picked it up in his mouth and ran away. Now, children, some sentences, some words have similar sounds. Those are called homonym. Yes. Then you have to, children, you have to fill up the blanks in those words, those appropriate words. Yes. Some words have similar sounds but different meanings. Then choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Now, first A is, the bird sits on a bough. The second bow is arrow, tir. The squirrel has a long tail. The incorrect word is tail, story, kahani. I have to leave at 2. 2 means B, that is incorrect. The sum is right. The RIT, another word is RIT, right? This means likhna. I have here the bird's song. Yes, another here is HERE, here means yahan. Do you know a secret? Yes, no. KNOW, no means janna, that is correct. NO, no means nahi, that is incorrect. The king sits on the throne. THRONE, throne means Singhasan, and THROWN, throne means Vekhna, that is wrong. He is our school principal. The spelling is PRINCIPAL, and the incorrect word is PRINCIPALE. That is, the meaning of that is Siddhant. Now children, thank you children.